Hello everyone. In our last class, we have discussed classification of matter according to its chemical constitution. What are pure substances? What are mixtures, elements and their classification, compounds and its properties. Today we will discuss what is an atom, particles inside an atom like proton, neutron, electron, terminology related to atomic structure, list of elements, chemical symbols and its significance, difference between atomic number and mass number. Firstly, we will study what is an atom. Let's open page 46 of your book.
What is an atom? Students, matter is made up of tiny invisible particles known as atoms. An atom is made up of electrons, protons and neutrons. Now students, let's discuss some important terms related to atomic structure before proceeding further. First is atom. An atom is defined as the smallest particle of matter which may or may not exist independently. Now next is nucleus. The central part of an atom consisting of nucleons is called nucleus of an atom. Now what are nucleons? Protons and neutrons which are present in the nucleus of an atom are collectively called as nucleons. Now next is protons. P for proton, P for positively charged. A positively charged particle that is present in the nucleus of an atom is called a proton. And next is neutron. A heavy uncharged particle that is present in the nucleus of an atom is called a neutron. Next subatomic particle is electron. A negatively charged particle that revolves around the nucleus of an atom. This is nucleus of an atom and these particles revolve around the nucleus of an atom. They are called as electrons. Now once again see the definitions. Electron, a negatively charged particle that revolves around the nucleus of an atom in its definite orbit is called an electron. A positively charged particle that is present in the nucleus of an atom is called a proton. And a heavy uncharged particle that is present in the nucleus of an atom is called a neutron. Next is atomic number. Students, in a nucleus of an atom, there are protons. And the total number of protons present in the nucleus of an atom is called its atomic number. Next is mass number. The sum total of protons and neutrons present in the nucleus of an atom, that means how many nucleons are present in the nucleus of an atom, is called its mass number. Now students, can you see these concentric circles? These are definite energy shells. An electron can revolve in its own energy shell, in its own definite energy shell. The definite energy shells in which electrons revolve are called orbits. Now students, this is first energy shell and this is second energy shell. You can see the electrons in this shell. This is last shell or outermost shell of this atom. The electrons that are present in the last shell or the outermost shell of an atom, they are called as valence electrons. Next is valency. The combining capacity of an atom of an element is called its valency. That is how much of electrons can be given or taken by an atom of an element. Now students, please note this terminology in your fair copies. What is an atom, electron, proton, neutron, nucleus, atomic number, mass number, orbits, valence electrons and valency. Next we are going to discuss is the difference between atomic number and mass number. The total number of protons present in the nucleus of an atom is called atomic number. And mass number? The sum total of protons and neutrons present in the nucleus of an atom is called mass number. Atomic number, it is written at the base of an element. Mass number, it is written at the top of an element. Atomic number, it is denoted with capital Z. Mass number, it is denoted with capital A. Let X be any element, then A denotes mass number and Z denotes atomic number. Now next we are going to discuss is name of an element, its symbol, its atomic number and mass number. Before discussing this chart to you, I'll be discussing how we can calculate the mass number of an element if its atomic number is given to you. I have taken two examples here. Sodium, whose atomic number is 11, that is odd. If atomic number of an element is odd, then you will multiply it with 2 and will add 1 to it. So 22 plus 1, that will be 23. So its atomic number is 11 and its mass number will be 23. Now next I have taken oxygen. 8 is its atomic number, it's even. So we'll simply multiply it with 2 and whatever the answer comes, that is its mass number. So 16 is the mass number for oxygen whose atomic number was 8. Now let's see this chart. This is name of an element. Symbol. Symbol is defined as the short form of an element, atomic number and mass number. List of elements. First is hydrogen, symbol H, atomic number 1, mass number 1. Hydrogen has an exception to mass number. Next is helium, symbol He, atomic number 2, mass number 4. Lithium, symbol Li, atomic number 3, mass number is 7. Beryllium, symbol Be, atomic number is 4, mass number is 9. Beryllium also has an exception. Boron, symbol B, atomic number 5, mass number 11. Carbon, symbol C, atomic number 6, mass number 12. Nitrogen, symbol N, atomic number 7, mass number 14. Nitrogen also has an exception in its mass number. Oxygen, O, atomic number is 8, mass number 16. Fluorine, symbol F, atomic number 9, mass number 19. Neon, symbol Ne, atomic number 10, mass number 20. Sodium, symbol Na, atomic number 11, mass number 23. Magnesium, symbol Mg, atomic number 12, mass number 24. Aluminium, Al symbol, atomic number 13, mass number 27. Silicon, symbol Si, atomic number 14, mass number 28. Phosphorus, symbol P, atomic number 15, mass number 31. Sulfur, symbol S, atomic number 16, mass number is 32. Chlorine, symbol Cl, atomic number 17, mass number is 35. Argon, symbol Ar, atomic number is 18, mass number is 40. Potassium, symbol K, atomic number 19, mass number is 39. Calcium, atomic number 20, symbol is Ca and mass number is 40. Students, argon also has an exception. Its atomic number is 18 but its mass number is 40.
Here, an atom is the smallest particle of an element that takes part in a chemical reaction. Underline, this is the definition of an atom. An Indian philosopher, Kannad, was one of the first person to propose that matter is made up of very small particles called Parmanu. John Dalton called these particles atoms. The word atom means invisible. Inside the atom, there are present a variety of even tinier particles called subatomic particles, which we have already discussed. They are electrons, protons and neutrons. Atoms join together to form molecules. Atoms do not exist independently. They combine with other atoms to stabilize themselves, that is, to make them stable. They may combine with atoms of their own kind or of different kinds, and these linked atoms are known as molecules. If they combine with the atoms of their own kind, they form molecules of an element, and if they combine with the atoms of different kind, they form molecules of a compound.
Let's open page 48. Symbols. A short form used to write the names of elements is taken to be symbol. Or we can say symbol is the short form of an element. For example, when we have to write oxygen, the symbol of oxygen is O. Next term is formula. When two or more elements combine together, they form a compound, and this compound can be represented by a formula. For example, the formula of water is H2O, means two atoms of hydrogen combine with one atom of oxygen. This is the formula of water. Now, the information which is conveyed by a formula is as follows. What is the importance of writing the formula? First point is, it tells which type of elements are present in a compound. Second one is, it tells number of atoms of each element present in a compound. For example, in water, 2 atoms of hydrogen are present and 1 atom of oxygen is present. Third point is, it also indicates the mass of one molecule of that compound. In water, if we talk about mass of hydrogen, that is 1 and mass of oxygen is 16.
Learning outcomes of today's topic are: what is an atom? Particles inside an atom, that is subatomic particles, proton, neutron and electron. Terminology related to atomic structure. List of first 20 elements with their symbol, atomic number and mass number. Then chemical symbols and its significance. Difference between atomic number and mass number.